Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video we will talk about the ExpressJs. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. It is an open source framework developed and maintained by the Node.js Foundation. It was developed by TJ Holloway Chuck. Before going to Node.js, you should know about HTML, JavaScript, client-server works, HTTP, and database like MySQL, MongoDB, etc. So first, for installation, you will write node install, then npm. For npm install, you need to. Then after the installation is complete, we will check about the node version. Okay, so first you go to the Google and about the Node.js official site, and after going to download for your specific Windows version for x64 or x32, okay, or x86. So I just install the x64, and after the installation will complete, then we will install this one. Okay, the downloading is in progress. So this is very simple Node.js, and basically we will talk about the ExpressJs, that is a Node.js MVC framework basically. Okay, is a pro almost done. Okay, downloading is completed, and now I go to the folder and open that downloaded file and run. After run, just by default custom setting is made, next, and go on. You can change also, but in my scenario I just by default is going on. Okay, I don't need to change for my case. Install, and it will take a couple of minutes to install the Node.js. Okay, after the install we will check is the installation completed successfully or not. So by this we just open the cmd, you will see, and enter the command of node version. If the version is correctly shown, that it means that node is successfully installed in your computer. Okay, the installation is in progress and finished. Okay, just finished, and now the installation completed. Now go to the cmd and open it, and here write node version to check the version of the node, that is 12.2.0 is successfully installed. Okay, so after the node init, then a package.json file is installed inside your folder. For example, my project folder is hello world. Okay, you can choose your own. So I go to the hello world directory, that is my project directory, and here I install the ExpressJs. ExpressJs is an MVC based architecture for Node.js application. Okay, it is very simple. So I just go to inside my folder, project folder, that is hello world, and here I write that command to install the ExpressJs. So now the installation of ExpressJs inside my project is completed. Okay, so here you see that a folder is created about node modules. Okay, that shows the ExpressJs is successfully installed, and here is all the module of ExpressJs is. So in the root directory I just create a file that is in index.js and open it, and in this file I just include that modules of Express. Okay, to use the ExpressJS, the variable express, and it require the express. So now we create an object of express, that is app, and we will perform all the actions perform different functions by app dot scenarios. Okay, so first app dot get. Inside this one, I for example forward slash, it mean that this is basically a route. We will talk about the route in detail in next video. The route is basically, there is if anyone hit a URL, then it will go to the following request and response. Okay, for example, if some URL with forward slash sign, then the response is sent, for example a simple message that is hello world. Okay, it means that when you hit a URL, then they show this message, that's it, this is hello world. Okay, if the message is shown in our browser, that it means that our program is run successfully. And after that one, we should listen this app to a port. For example, in my scenario, we listen on the port of 3000. You can also search about this mechanism in the Node.js official website. So I just show you practically how to run your first application, that is hello world. Okay, inside and after the installation of ExpressJs. So just now enter that command, and that will run the project. And here go to the browser and run this one. Okay, so it means that our project runs successfully. Okay, so what about the change? If for example I want to change the message, for this, after that change, we just reinitiate the node. Okay, for every single change, they can, the new message is not detected because we not initiate the node. Okay, now enter to reinitiate the project. Now the next change will show. So this is very difficult. So for to overcome this problem, the problem says that for every change you should reinit your node. To overcome this problem, node mon is com. Okay, so it is very simple. So just very simple command node mon and your project directory. After that, when you do any change, then the change will detect it without initiate the again the Node.js file, that is index.js. Okay, just we go to the root directory and here write the node mon, and after that a project directory, and you see that the node is installed. So now after being able to do a single change, you will not need to reinit the node, it will do automatically. Okay, now you see that after a simple change, it will detect it without initiating the node, and we can do anything without initiating. They overcome a very hectic problem. Okay, this is very important. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel if you like, and there are two references, you can also visit this one. Thanks for watching.